Hi, it's Owen here, the Hiking Viking, and welcome to another video of Faye and I out and about. Join us as we visit RSPBR Nature Reserve on the banks of Poole Harbour in Dorset on the south coast of England. Arne is a sweeping nature reserve that is teemed with wildlife. It has heathland, woodland, mudflats and wetland, and it's designated as an area of outstanding natural beauty. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Not native to Britain, it's from America.
So should we do the red route first?
Yeah, it is. Red, on the far side of the pallets.
Oh yeah.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Aww.
I've just had one shouting at me because I can't put the food
Oh,
out.
really?
And he's just going,
I'm geek heaven for my birds. Definitely come back in the winter.
Yeah.
Coffee time. White Americano. What are you getting? You gone for a...
Just my normal water.
The crazy girl. Crazy.
No calories.
True. Here we go. First trail of the day. And as always, there's a potential that Faye and I are going to get lost. We're going on a ship stall trail with a lizard. Faye's off already, she can't wait to see some creepy crawlies.
Right, it's 10:25. This should take an hour.
What are the odds this is going to take?
Oh, is that another robin?
Ah, it is.
It's an adult robin, I think.
Beautiful little robin.
Well, he looks small, doesn't he?
Oh.
Bye.
Off we go. It's all spongy, isn't it?
Yeah, God, this is. You could be on Brownsea Island here,
Yeah.
couldn't you?
This is stunning. So where's that then?
Poole Harbour, innit?
Yeah. You know it's end of summer and coming into autumn when you have, I think these are horse chestnuts, aren't they?
I think so.
The horse chestnut.
Conkers.
Conkers. And then in the UK, if you're watching outside the UK, every autumn when the kids go back to school, you tend to find all the kids are having conker fights, where you attach one of the conkers to a bit of string, then you hit them against each other, and whoever has the conker which remains intact and smashes the other person's conker is the winner. And also a little random fact, if you put a conker in vinegar, it goes rock hard, and they're nicknamed monkey brains, because that's what they look like. And I used to have a very successful monkey brain.
Why does that not surprise me?
Some might say I still have a monkey brain now.
Right, here's a question for you.
Go on.
When you get sand
Yep.
inland, like, I know how sand is made next to the sea. It's because of like years of the ocean, like bashing against rocks and stuff, isn't it? Obviously, this isn't the ocean. So where is the sand?
What do you mean,
how
obviously?
Well, because when there's
So where did it begin?
what?
This land, where was it? Millions of years ago.
No.
Under the sea.
Well, no, the world wasn't just a big ball of water,
A bilbul.
was it?
This land was the lowest of the land. So you get the mountains. So you get what we're walking on now, which is like this. It's really sandy, but think of where we live.
Right, by the beach.
Yeah, on what sandbanks?
spit
of,
sand.
right, so we live in low-lying land.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So low-lying land, which this used to be millions of years ago.
But why was it low-lying then? What's raised it up?
Tectonic plates, earthquakes.
We don't get earthquakes here.
You can do, but like back in the day, this conversation's going on far too long.
Yeah, I didn't mean for you to film it.
Yeah, you did.
I just don't understand
You love
it.
Okay,
I still don't understand it.
just accept it's here. And then we can enjoy.
It's just one of my little questions I had.
You have many little questions, don't you?
I know. Is that Brownsea Island through there? Sorry.
I mean, it might be. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's quite nice being level with the water.
It is, isn't it? Can't get over how peaceful it is.
Stunning.
Should we do our best Chris Packham and Michaela Strachan and do some nature-esque sexual innuendo? Great tits.
I don't know, what am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
There's the mothership.
The what, sorry?
The mothership,
Mothership.
Brownsea.
Oh, yes. There's the island that made us fall in love with Dorset. So we just got to the viewpoint, and it says what you can see from here. So you've got Poole over there, Brownsea Island, which is that big black blob in the middle of your video. You've got Poole Harbour, which is the gap in between Thursday Island, which is a tiny little island, Long Island, which is that one right in front of us.
The long one.
With the the long one, with the barge. I don't know if you can see that. And you've got the Green Island, which is over there in the middle of the screen, which has got a house on it. And Faye and I was saying, if you live there, you are so lucky. This is gorgeous. And then to the right, you've got Round Island, which I would assume
Behind the tree.
behind the tree, but also quite round.
Yeah.
What a stunning area. And then behind us, just where Faye's heading, it's like an estuary, a little flood plain type area. It's gorgeous. Little Christmas tree area. I think this is where Gail, the RSPB lady, said that the ospreys were. So you can see the trees through there, for example, which have got nothing on them. So they'll just perch on there, eating the fish that they've caught. Faye's hair's getting ultra frizzy.
Yeah. I look like a drowned rat in a minute.
Well, you're on a nature reserve, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Remember what the sign said? Don't feed the pigs. Oh, he's itching his arse.
Oh.
What a time to capture
Oh.
nature. No matter how nicely they ask, do not feed the pigs.
So everyone's done the opposite walk to us.
Yeah. Are you surprised?
No.
Nah. Everyone goes one way. We go the other.
Well, we get lost normally, but we've done all right today.
True. It's probably why the lady that we spoke to at the beginning told us to go and speak to somebody else at the map
Yeah.
to tell us which direction to go in. Do we listen? Never. Look at that. It's like a little storybook from Beatrix Potter days or something. Just waiting for Peter Rabbit to pop out. Rolling fields. This is bliss. See all the little thistles as well.
It's been an hour since we started.
Okay. What's the time now?
11:25.
And what time's lunch? 2?
2, yeah. And pushed the gate, I just pulled it.
It's because you're a beast now, you go to the gym.
Well, yeah. Don't like to brag.
It had to happen. It had to happen. So we got lost. We walked through the little walkway that I just showed you, and we were actually right, but we turned back because there was no signs of where to go.
Well, there was a sign saying all trails back that way,
Back-
so
oh,
we
yeah.
were like, well, okay.
Kind of contradicted itself.
Yeah,
But
so it wasn't our fault, really.
no. But we asked the guys back at the info desk, and they told us you can go that way. So we've turned around and we've gone this way again.
And
So we-
apparently this way is less chance of getting lost.
Even though we already just got lost going this way. So anyway, on we go.
Open for them.
So we are going that way. What a face.
My hair is like, look at it, trying to put that in a ponytail.
Yeah. You're talking to someone with curly hair.
Uh-huh.
Get over yourself. It is so mild. Swig time. Look how fluffy my hair is. Why are you looking so angry at me?
Fluffy hair.
It's beautiful.
Washed, dried. It was lovely this morning.
It's my favourite part about you, Faye.
What, my fluffy
Your
hair?
fluffy hair. Look at that holly bush.
Pretty, isn't it?
The amount of berries on there.
Loads.
That's going to fill up the birds.
Yeah, and the squirrels.
What does your dad say that means? It's going to be a harsh winter.
What?
Lots of berries.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I think he says the more berries there are, the harder the winter's going to be. It'd be nice to have some snow, especially down here.
Depends what it means by harsh down here, because last winter was harsh if you think of rain. It peed down for like ever.
Yeah, and windy.
And windy.
Yeah, just be nice to have, like we said earlier, like frosty mornings, lots of snow,
Yeah.
not so windy. Because honestly,
No.
when it gets windy down here, it is windy. So yeah, we'll see. Some sort of gathering of photographers. And here we have the bird watchers in their main territory.
Oh, sweaty.
Sweaty Betty. Always say the sexiest things to me, Faye, whilst we're walking through the woods. Try and make some nice footage. I don't know if you guys heard that. Faye's belly starts going.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right, Faye. I love you and your rumbling bellies. I say bellies plural because I swear you've got more than one.
Yeah, probably. Well, you've got a dessert belly.
I have got a dessert belly.
Are you having dessert today?
Nah, probably not.
No. It was more humid than yesterday.
It's been crazy humid today, but it's absolutely lovely. We've spent, how long have we been here? A couple of hours?
Yeah.
A couple of hours. Just come to the end of the second walk and we're going to go, I can't even speak. We're going to go to the shop and cafe. Faye spotted something.
I'm just working out the right route.
Welcome to our wildlife garden.
Wasp
a great place
spiders.
for pollinators. Isn't it just? Honestly, this place is absolutely lush. Don't use slug pellets, chemicals, pesticides. Let nature create a balance. Amen to that. Look out. Wasp spiders about. Meadow lavender, pumpkin patch. And because the word spiders was mentioned, Faye is over there. Faye, where are you going? Faye?
She knows where I'm
Yeah,
going.
Faye's gone. What Faye doesn't realise is that she's still mic'd up, so we can actually hear if she's muttering anything under her breath. What do you reckon? She's probably saying something. She's now hiding behind that bush, probably from spider wasps. Let's have a little look in here. Spider wasps. I see no spider wasp. That could be up there, maybe. Who knows? Off we go to the shop. Little bee hotel, bug hotel. How cool is that? I love stuff like that. There she is. I know why you came up here so quickly. To escape the spider. Is that something on your back?
What?
Oh, nice. Got all your binoculars, tripods.
£2,000.
It's decent binoculars, though. Scopes. We'll go over here. Like little key rings, patches. They're quite cute. Little key rings, barn owl, goldfinch, puffin, kingfisher. Blankets look nice, don't they?
I thought that was from that those brothers, but it's not. It's a
Oh,
different
yeah.
one. It's like recycled plastics.
Same kind of,
Same thing, yeah.
same thing, yeah. Little guidebooks.
Oh, these are cute.
Bookmarks.
How
What do you
cute is
see?
that?
Oh, that's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, little kingfisher one.
I see with that.
£30.
Nice. He's quite cool.
Yeah, I'm sure my mum's got something like that, hasn't she?
Possibly. Kingfisher,
Oh,
candlelight.
these are nice.
Yeah, they are nice, aren't they? Bags are lovely. I think everything's lovely.
Yeah. Different stuff in here to what you normally see.
Yeah,
I suppose because it's RSPB and not National Trust.
yeah. The size of those bird feeders. I don't think that'd
Makes yours
fit.
look bad.
Yeah, I don't think that'd fit on the balcony.
I think for the wood, for your garden.
Oh, great bird bar.
Yeah.
25 quid, that's a bargain.
Yeah, nice.
I would have that on our balcony all day long. In the corner. Should we get it?
No.
I can actually get it. Little bird boxes. Got all the food, bird food, feeders. This is amazing. I'm in my element. They're quite cool. Little,
Oh, it's a squirrel buster.
look at these. Yeah, so if you put your fingers on the landing bit,
Right.
fat squirrel can't eat anymore.
But the problem is all that when the birds spew it out into the ground, the squirrels then come.
Yeah, then, but they won't get it on the feeders at least. I do really want a big bird bath.
Oh, look. Got a guess too, but for birds.
Oh, that is
and,
so
like,
cool.
Nature.
It's really cool. Oh my word, load of biscuits. when you're already hungry because you're waiting for a roast dinner. How nice are they, look? Fairies.
Oh, what, these?
No,
Oh,
oven gloves.
Oh, those, yeah.
Tea towels.
Admiring these.
Oh, they're lovely, yeah.
I love that. It's really simple, pretty.
It's gorgeous.
And that. I love all of them.
I think we'll definitely be coming back here before Christmas.
Yeah.
Little robins on the shelf below. Wow. Oh my word.
Have you even got, is it Christmas tape or ribbon or something?
I need to stop.
It's tape.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, love it.
Some
Hello,
ospreys.
honey. I want to get some raw honey or something.
Raw honey.
Pure heather honey.
This one, which is
Heather honey, that would be nice.
yeah.
Distinctively strong. Oh, distinctly strong.
Oh, nice.
I need to research honey. I want to eat more.
Right. I'm going to stop recording because I'm getting so hungry looking at all this food. So we've arrived at Corfe Castle Village. We're both absolutely starving. I'm not lying, am I?
No.
Absolutely starving. And we're going to go to a pub we've been to a few times now called the Greyhound for a big fat roast dinner. Have some of that. But we're going to be, well, we're not being good because we're having a big fat roast dinner, but we're not going to have any dessert because of our diets. We're still being very good with that, again, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good. But yeah, it is a beautiful village here. Just parked up, walking to the pub now, like I say. You've got the remains of Corfe Castle itself up there. But the area is just stunning. I'll show you some of the houses now. Tiniest little doors.
Right. You want to go in first so I'm not in the way?
Welcome to Greyhound. What are you having, Faye?
I have roast beef. I did think about upgrading to the duo of meats, but I don't know, it might be a little bit greedy.
I mean, I'm sold. Let's have a look. Sunday roasts, that's what I'm talking about. So I went for the duo of meat, chicken, pork belly. So you've got veg. What did you go for?
I went for roast beef, Yorkshire pudding.
Oh yeah, which also looks just as amazing. Tucking beautiful.
I will. To ask me twice.
I'm getting tucked in as well. Speak to you later.
That's lovely.
Do you enjoy that? Hit the spot. Absolutely stuffed. And I even use my Yorkshire pudding to mop up around the plate. Whereas that one there normally licks the plate.
No, we're not in public.
And that is the end of our day out at the Arne Nature Reserve and the Greyhound pub in Corfe Castle. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, please do feel free to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep an eye on what Faye and I are up to and the new places that we're discovering. Until next time, take care.